Hello guys, I'm Carlos and it's great to see you again. This video is in preparation for El Día de Muertos, or the Day of the Dead, which is a very important celebration in Mexico that happens on the 1st and 2nd of November. There are many elements that form part of this celebration and all of them have very deep meaning. There are things like costumes and face paint that people wear, street performances and parades, and of course, food and drink are a big part of it. The point of this festivity is to remember the ones that we've lost with joy and adoration, to turn death, which is so abrupt and hard, into a celebration. With that in mind, and to honor and remember a dear friend of mine I lost earlier this year, I would like to present to you this recipe, which is a festive guacamole. The first thing is going to be to finely dice half a medium brown onion. Then do the same with the chili. I found a nice colorful mix, so I'm going to use a bit of red, yellow and green chili. And I'm going to finally slice some fresh coriander. I'm going to cut open a couple of big avocados. And then scoop out all the flesh onto my bowl. In this case, I'm going to use a pestle and mortar. And then I'm going to go ahead and mash the avocado flesh.
That's my Batman voice.
After that, you're gonna season it with the onion, chilies, coriander, and then the zest of half a lemon, and then the juice of lemon and lime. And then finally, I'm gonna season it with salt. For the pomegranate, cut it very carefully with a knife just on the skin. Open it up. With the back of a spoon, you're gonna spank it. No way. You're gonna tap on the pomegranate over a bowl with water. All right, and now to plate, all we need to do is just pour as little or as much as of our guacamole. I went for a rustic look, just like our ancient grain tortilla chips. I'm just gonna spread some of these seeds, and this is what makes it festive particularly. And this is it, our recipe of the day. It's that mix of sweet, salty, acid, amazing. Until next time, see you soon and have a very happy Day of the Dead.